Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick hotel room tour at the Taos Valley Lodge in Taos, New Mexico. I'm over here in room 118. It's a standard room with a king-size bed, so let's go in. And right as you come in, you can see there's the large king-size bed. And then to the left, we have the climate control unit. And then we have a large window looking out. As you can see, we only have one set of curtains here. They did just okay. And here's the unit here. It's a Prem Air. And let's go ahead and they're powering it down. There is a little dresser, tiny nightstand to the left of the bed. There's the king-size bed, and my luggage is sitting on top of like an ottoman or footrest. Then over here we have the television, and unfortunately it only has analog cable service, so it looks pretty terrible. You can see it's pretty.
They've gone just 5 and 6 and rank in the bottom half of the
Some of the channels are kind of fuzzy and have a lot of static interference. I think there's only one digital channel, 62-6. Looks like it's a PBS Kids or something. So that's kind of odd. They get Xfinity Comcast cable television service. I think the worst is channel 2, which is Fox. Yeah, so that's pretty sad, but it's an LG 32-inch flat panel HD TV. So moving on from there, over here we have a desk and a chair on the table lamp. And in this room we do have a jacuzzi or hot tub. And then over here is the other nightstand, the clock, the hotel phone, the 2 lamps there. There's the other lamp. And then we do have a mini refrigerator and microwave, Magic Chef for the microwave, and a GE mini refrigerator. Also coffee maker and some coffee. And over here there's the cable splitter. They don't use a cable box, so it's just connected directly to the television, which is kind of odd. I have a little coat closet area, ironing board minus the iron, and there I am. Then over here we have the sink. It's kind of small, but it does work, has high pressure. Soap, ice bucket, cups, and then hair dryer. Then over here we have the very compact bathroom area with a toilet and shower tub combination. You can see there's the toilet, there's the shower and tub. And let me show you the door, how tight it is. It goes within just a few centimeters of the toilet seat. So you have to completely move right out of the way and stand between the toilet and the tub when you close the door, because it's very tight. And then over here we have the shower. Nothing too special. We have just a regular shower head. It has good pressure, and then we have a shampoo dispenser there. Yeah, there's the tub. Let me do it quick. So there's a quick demo of the shower. And yeah, that's going to be it for this quick hotel room tour. Standard room with a king-size bed at the Taos Valley Lodge in Taos, New Mexico. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Mostly travel videos, a few technology videos too. Thanks for watching.